English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 8, Area of Rectangle and Square. Number 5. If the height of a triangle design 0.8 meter and its area 1.2 square meter, what are the landed area of the in meter? Then we know that area 1.2 square meter and height 0.8 meter. Then we know area equal to half into its height into base. So base equal to height into area divided by 2. Then base, here we need to identify base. Area 1.2 into height 0.8 divided by 2. Then base equal to 1.2 into 2 divided by 0.8 equal to 2.4 divided by 0.8. Answer will be 3.